You have a PDF, but you need to edit it. The problem? You can't just edit a PDF like a Word document. Here's the fastest way to fix that. This is PDFEquips, a free online PDF toolkit with over 50 tools. Today we're using the PDF to Word converter. Head to PDFEquips.com and select the PDF to Word tool. Select your PDF file and upload it. Now here's where it matters. You'll see two conversion options. Go ahead and choose the Premium Converter. That's the one that says High Accuracy Conversion with Full Style Preservation. This gives you the best result. Your fonts, tables, and layout come out clean in the Word document instead of a plain text mess. Hit Convert to Word, and it's done. Click Download and open your file. Same layout, same structure, fully editable in Microsoft Word. You can now change the text, update the content, whatever you need. No software to install. No account required for the basic conversion. That's the whole process. If you work with PDFs regularly, PDFEquips has over 50 tools: merge, split, compress, edit, translate, and more, all in one place. Head to PDFEquips.com and check it out. If this was useful, drop a like and subscribe for more.